Hey, Greg Ranger here. Good to see you guys. So type yes if you can hear me. So again, my name is Greg Ranger, and I do help high-level businesses, business owners grow with digital marketing, but not how you might think. So before we get started, if you're looking to grow your business, be sure to check out gregranger.com. Watch the quick video there, and if you like what you see, then fill out the form and we'll talk. So typically business owners come to me because they want to profitably increase sales with digital marketing, so like social media. And these businesses, even though they do have 5, 10, 20 years of experience, and usually they generate 7 figures plus in revenue, these business owners, they can't seem to get to the next level with their paid online marketing. So, sometimes they have inconsistent traffic from it, inconsistent sales. So they still tell me that they feel confused and overwhelmed by the whole thing. Now, if that sounds familiar to you, you're actually not alone. A lot of business owners go through this. And actually, I can totally relate. So I know I get daily emails and messages and YouTube videos about, the latest marketing trend, QR codes, chatbots, email is dead, email is not dead, and so on. So if that sounds familiar, here's what I tell my clients is, look, there's always one thing that works, and that is profitable paid marketing, specifically profitable paid social media marketing. So essentially, if you can't pay to acquire a client or a sale profitably, your business is essentially flatlining or barely growing. So let me say that again. If you can't pay using social media marketing, like paid advertising, to acquire a client, your business is either flatlining or in decline. So here's a story to illustrate. Ever heard of the app called Wish? So it's a phone app. It's called Wish. It's actually the third biggest e-commerce platform in the United States by sales. So it's a phone app only. And in 2018, it had $1.9 billion in revenue. And here's the kicker. It grew to that revenue almost only using paid social media marketing. So let me say that again. It grew to $1.9 billion in revenue, only almost like 99% using paid social media marketing. So it did not use any TV commercials, any radio, any newspapers, only using paid social media marketing. So the point I want to make is online advertising, specifically paid social media advertising, works, at least to get to $1.9 billion. So before I give you a few helpful tips that you can use for your business, be sure to check out gregranger.com, where there's a quick video there, and if you like what you see, just fill out the form and we can talk. So here's how you can actually make paid social media marketing work for your specific business. So tip number 1 is actually to remarket to the people that visited your website with 3 specific type of content. So let me say that again. So on your website, you have people coming to your website, and those visitors, they showed an initial interest. So what you want to do is you want to remarket to them with 3 types of content. So content number 1, the category number 1 is helpful content. So let me give you a concrete example. Let's say you are a plumber. You might record a quick video that shows how to fix a leaking kitchen. So a leaking kitchen sink. So you might record that video. It shows you, okay, here's what you need to do, turn off the water, blah, blah, blah. So, and then you show that video, you remarket that video. So showing actual helpful content to your visitors does a few things. One of them is that they get to know you. They see your face on video, so they get familiar with you. The other thing it does is that it shows them that you actually know what you're talking about, right? By demonstrating that you can fix a toilet, you can fix a leaking sink, those potential future clients trust you. So that's the number one type of content you want to remarket with. The other type of content you want to remarket with is client testimonials. So basically, you want to record or have in written format, but video is more powerful. You want to record video testimonials of successful clients that have dealt with you, right? So let's say you're a lawyer, you want a case, maybe you want to talk about how that client, is super exciting to have won his case, or maybe it's someone that loves your product and talks about it and, how it changed their life or it makes life better. So you want to have those video testimonials. Now, here's the reason why. The reason why is video testimonials is social proof. So oftentimes when we make a decision, we're going to look at what others do. And if a bunch of people on video, successful clients, are saying that, hey, your product is great, your service is great, I had a great experience, they are more likely to do business with you. Now, here's the thing. You want to remarket those video testimonials, right? Because people do get distracted. Sometimes they won't call your business right away. They have kids and so on. So you want to remarket with those video testimonials so you stay top of mind. Make sense? So that was the type of content number 2. Finally, the type of content number 3 is content that addresses objections. So for example, if you know that your product is more expensive than the competition, you want to address that objection up front. You can say that, okay, look, this furniture is made with local woods and local staff, so we don't outsource any of our production, and it's made here locally, therefore the ingredients cost more, the material costs more, so you will pay a premium for this product. Or let's say you're a professional service firm, so let's say you are accountants. You can say that, hey, listen, we do only work with with businesses that do 5 million or more in revenue. And therefore, we also have cumulatively, 150 years of experience with our 9 partners at the firm. So do expect to pay a premium for that experience and that expertise, right? So you want to address it in a fun way, but so it warms up your audience saying like, look, we're not for everyone. We are not the cheapest. We are the best in category, best in class. We only deal with businesses that do 5 mil or more. Therefore, expect to pay a premium price. If that's one of your objections. If there's other objections, for your product or your service, you want to create a video that addresses those objections. Does that make sense? Cool. So again, you want to put some marketing dollars. So you want to advertise those 3 types of contents on social media, and specifically you want to remarket on social media. So if your future client goes to your website and then goes on social media a few days later, he will see those 3 types of content. Again, those 3 types of remarketing content are helpful content, like how-to types of video content, testimonial type of content, so successful users of your product or your services, and then content that addresses objections. Does that make sense? Cool. So if you are, again, serious about growing your business, using paid social media marketing, or just growing your business in general, be sure to check out gregranger.com. Watch the quick video there, and if you like what you see, then just fill out the form and we'll get on a call and we'll chat. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Type in your questions. If you have any questions, type your questions in the comments. So yeah, and also if you love the content, be sure to like and share it. Awesome. Cool. Good stuff. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure. So again, be sure to check out gregranger.com and leave any questions in the comment section if you have any. Cheers.